This is the way going to Inspiration Lake. Inspiration Lake is located next to Disneyland and close to the airport resort line. To walk to a bus station, you can find all the information on a board in front of the bus station. Pag sumakay ka ng bus, you will arrive Inspiration Lake about 5 minutes. Inspiration Lake is open on August 16, 2005. Was created as part of the development of adjacent Hong Kong Disneyland Resort as a dual purpose project to recreation as an irrigation reservoir. Isang malamig na hangin ang sasalubong sa iyo sa Inspiration Lake dahil sa nakapalibot ito sa kabundukan. At ang lugar para sa mga couples or mga nagwo-walking ay isang magandang lugar para na rin sa paghihintay ng sunset pagdating ng hapon. The lake is surrounded by a path and a grass. You can smell the sweetness of the flowers in the air, and you can play a lot of stuff in the park. You can picnic along the lake, but for us doing photoshoot, halos lahat yata ng area nakukuhanan sa ganda nito. At wala kang itulak at kabigin sa ganda nito. Ayan o, bigla siyang takbo. Saan? Ayun. Bilis. Shit ka dyan. I love the natures. I love the photography. Here in Inspiration Lake, you can do whatever you want and nobody can stop you. Kahit pa nga magpagulong-gulong ka dyan, umiga, or whatever you want to do. You can relax. Everything what you want to move or anuman ang position ang gusto mo para sa photoshoot. Go lang! The lake is an artificial, but it does create an amazing sight. So for me, I recommend this place if you are in the area. A great place for the entire family and absolutely nice to spend a day of the weekend. Biking and other like activities are allowed, and beside the water, there are also a lot of green areas to play and relax. At ang pinaka magandang spotted dito ay ang sunset pag palabog na siya. Para siyang star na bumaba sa kalangitan. At ang ganda para sa isang photoshoot at kuhanan ang area kapag ganito na ang sunset ay papalubog. Kapag nilibot ang buong area ng Inspiration Lake, 2 hours of slow walking is enough. Pero kapag sinamahan mo ito ng pagpo-photoshoot or other activities, I'm sure di mo maiikot ang lugar na ito within 2 hours. Beautiful lake and scenic nature. There is a 7-Eleven at the entrance if you need more refreshment. Well, we are done for today here in Inspiration Lake. But we are going to coming back here again to show everything in the Inspiration Lake. Dahil hindi pa namin ito talaga naiikot lahat, so I'm sure marami pang magagandang makikita sa Inspiration Lake sa aming pagbabalik dito. Ito na yung labas ng area ng Inspiration Lake kung saan tutuntunin na namin ang pagbabalik sa Disneyland Park. Ang area nito ay isang spacious ng mga parking area para sa mga dumadayo rito sa Inspiration Lake at sa Disneyland Park. Hong Kong Disneyland is very famous and very popular, especially for the kids. It's because of pandemic COVID-19 ay kinakailangan ipasara muna ito for the time being para na rin sa kaligtasan ng mga dumarayo dito at sa mga bisita na nais pumasok. Maraming salamat sa inyo sa pagsama sa akin sa Inspiration Lake.